Assalamualaikum. I'm Sana. Welcome to my channel Sana Secrets. Today I'm gonna share with you summer special face pack for bright, fair and extra fair skin. It's so easy. You will get 100% results and I will show you how to make. So without wasting time, let's go. My first ingredient is gram flour besan. I'm adding 2 teaspoon besan gram flour. Tantanan. And my second amazing ingredient is watermelon. I'm gonna use watermelon juice here because it's full of antioxidant, repair damaged skin. It's full of different vitamins like vitamin C and vitamin E, which is really good for our skin. Simply cut into pieces and I'm gonna take only one piece, and now I'm gonna squeeze the juice from here like this. I'm using my hands. So squeeze the juice like this. So simple way. I'm adding juice like this. And my next amazing ingredient is honey. I'm adding 1 teaspoon honey. And my last ingredient is lemon. Lemon is full of vitamin C. I'm gonna use half lemon juice here. Squeeze the juice like this. Now mix it well. Look guys, this amazing face pack is ready. Apply on your face and neck area. Leave it for 30 minutes and you will get results. You will get fair, bright and fresh skin in this summer. So my YouTube friends must try this watermelon face pack and share with me results. Subscribe my channel, like my video, share with all. Love yourself. Allah Hafiz.